we'll guide you through how to blend text in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To blend text in Illustrator, begin on your desktop and go to the search bar. Type Adobe Illustrator and open the program. For this tutorial, we are using Adobe Illustrator 2019, although most versions have similar features and tools. After Illustrator opens, you can choose to create a new file or open an existing one if you already have a project ready. You can also use the Fast Create option for convenience if you want to begin quickly. This time, we are going to use the Create New option instead. This option gives you more control and more ways to customize the file before starting. Make sure the width and height are set to your liking based on your design needs. You can also choose the measurement system you prefer, such as pixels, inches, or millimeters. Next, click Advanced Options to show more settings. Choosing CMYK as the default color mode because it gives more color variety. Choosing Screen for raster effects since we are not going to print the design. After everything looks correct, click Create, and your artboard will be ready to use. On the left side of the screen, select the Text tool and click on the artboard. Type the text you want to use in the effect. Then drag the corner handles so the text becomes bigger, clearer, and easier to read. Next, copy the same text to create a second version that will act as the shadow. Change the shadow text to a different color so you do not get confused while editing. After that, send the colored shadow text behind the main text so both layers are visible. Once the text is positioned properly, select both text objects by dragging over them. Then go to the Object menu at the top of the screen. Find the Blend option, select it, and choose Make. This will create the first blend effect between the two text layers. To improve the appearance, go to the Blend options in the right menu. Choose Specified Steps and set the value to at least 100 so the blend becomes smoother and more detailed. When everything looks good, click OK to apply the settings. Your text is now blending smoothly with the shadow, creating a stylish layered effect. You can adjust colors or spacing later for more creative results if desired.